Hi everyone, my name is Allie. My full name is Allison Paris, but most people call me Allie, spelled A-L-L-I-S-O-N and A-L-L-I-E, because I know there's many different ways to spell Allie. I live in New York City, so if you hear a siren going by, know that that's just typical New York City sounds. I live in Herald Square in New York City, so if you've ever watched the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, my building is right where the kind of main performances of the parade happen. But in a month, I will be moving to the Upper East Side, so you might see a change in my scenery as this class goes on. I originally moved to New York to be a performer. I worked as an actor for pretty close to 10 years. And then in 2019, I stopped acting. I had always worked as a personal trainer up until that point, and I decided that I wanted to take that further and become a registered dietitian. So I started my post-bac journey in the summer of 2020, right smack dab at the beginning of the pandemic. And biochemistry is the last class in my post-bac experience. I will be applying to graduate school. Well, my application is actually due March 1st. So I am almost done with that. And this is the last course to kind of unlock that. And I am not currently a full-time student. I did my post-bac classes kind of piecemeal because during the pandemic there were, lots of different restrictions on in-person classes versus Zoom classes, and I also work a full-time job. So I'm very grateful that this course is self-paced, and I look forward to meeting everyone. Bye!